Hey guys, today I'm installing my next gen Clearview towing mirrors on my 100 series Land Cruiser. Oh, we got to take the door off because the plug's down here, which is really annoying. There's 4 of these little fuckers. Take this dog out. This is supposed to come off somehow. I always struggle with this one. Hey, that's something. Right, that's done. Alright, cool, we're done, we made it. Pardon me. I'm gonna unbolt it. Hopefully it actually like fits. Yuck. Yeah. This is no rust, that's good. I'm just using an electric cleaner because that's all I've got. That's all first thing I grabbed. This is the new mirror. Look at that. Not bad, eh? No, I hope the plug's right. That's my main concern. Hey, it is. Let's test them before we go too far ahead of ourselves. When do they come out more? It's a bit weird. Oh, hey, look at that.
Nice.
They don't look very stylish, but hopefully they get the job done. Better than stock ones. There's not fucking better. Nice. Go in, you motherfucker. Oh, that's why. This side needs to come out. Hey! I hate these clips. They're so annoying. Where did that go?
My precious.
Found a bit of rust in his ARB bars already. It's good shit. Not even a year old.
Real? Find something in there.
The video needs more kissing and sex. Cool, eh? Probably not going to use that feature, but it came off alright. I Sikaflexed it. Oh, looks like I Sikaflexed them both. Dumb. Oh no, I didn't Sikaflex this one. There we go. Remembered how to do it. Now, I do want to dick with this before I put it back in. For fuck's sake. Now this is the driver's side.
Don't drop it.
definitely just fucked it. Look at that. We just took everything off. Look at that. We completely just obliterated it. I was sort of hoping to just make it less sticky. That's what it is. Come on. These funny lights here. They don't have any, there's nothing behind it. Nothing to plug into. Look, just a gimmick. Looks a bit better now. Guess we better put this back in. No point leaving it out. Actually, is that part number? Due for a new one anyway, it's getting sticky and gross. So that should just clip in. Do you want to paint it? That's how you install Clearview mirrors.